Take a moment and imagine your ideal setup: powerful, instant, sleek, and totally capable without demanding a massive desk or loud fans. GMKtec EVO-X2 AI Mini PC. This is for the kind of person who feels performance in daily use. You don't just look for specs. You notice when your machine hesitates, when multitasking feels strained, when rendering or gaming feels like a negotiation instead of pure execution. You read done with compromise. You want gear that matches how you think and work. Before anything else, take a moment to check the current price in stock. Systems with this level of memory, storage, and processing don't stay affordable or available for long. Waiting almost always means paying more later. You knew it was time to upgrade when your old setup stopped keeping up with you, when background tasks slowed launches, when creative projects stalled, when gaming felt like a struggle instead of a flow state. That wasn't frustration, that was clarity. You outgrew your gear. You deserve something that feels capable, not pushed to its limits. The first time you power this up, there's a sense of ease. Everything happens before you finish thinking it. Apps open fast. Large files load quickly. Games run with confidence. You don't have to dial back settings to eke out performance. This isn't brute force. You feeling intelligent power that keeps pace with you. In daily use, it becomes obvious how balanced this system is. Creative workflows feel smoother because you not constantly managing resources. Multitasking feels natural. Editing, rendering, and output feel faster because the machine doesn't hesitate. You don't fight with your PC, you use it. Check the price again while it still feels stable. Computers with this headroom in memory, storage, and processing power tend to shift as soon as demand grows. Hesitation often turns into regret when prices tick up. If you're wondering whether a mini form factor can really deliver, that doubt fades quickly once you live with it. You realize it's not about size. It's about efficiency and performance. You get power that responds instantly, storage that loads projects without pause, and memory that never feels like a bottleneck. The unexpected benefit: your desk feels clean. No bulky tower. No tangled cables. Just performance that sits quietly and gets out of your way. That clarity changes how you feel about your environment: calmer, focused, less cluttered. Owning this feels smart and intentional. You don't second guess it. You don't wonder if you should be gone bigger or cheaper. You just use it. Every time you consider something weaker, that old frustration creeps back and you find yourself right back here. Responsive performance that feels instant, multitasking that never hiccups, storage that loads like thought turns to action, daily use that feels smooth, and effortless power that matches how you work and play, not designed for ultra-heavy, dedicated GPS. Internal expansion is limited. At some point, you stop comparing endless specs and choose the system that already feels right for you. Don't let this be one of the upgrades you delay and quietly regret later. Check the price, check availability, and make the move while it still feels like the obvious choice.